YouTube gang, you know what time it is. I don't know boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club and I hit and I smash out. Bang, I know people already know what time it is. Yeah man, yo that mafia, we're back in the music club today. Yeah man, now we have artists here, see me. This artist here, we rock with this artist heavy. You see me, the artist here dwelling in the darkness, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the one that one Budo chop on the one there, you know what I'm saying? If you know what we're talking about, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you don't know, you see where we are the buffalo. Before we even jump in the track, yo, that mafia, how y'all doing today, man? You know, I hope y'all been taking care of yourself, you know what I'm saying, taking steps towards your goal. You know what I'm saying? I hope you know what I'm saying, been just taking care of yourself, step towards your goal and just, you know, trying to make your life better and, you know what I'm saying, make life the way you want it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I appreciate all y'all for showing love, man. You know what I'm saying? We shot past 2K, we're on our way to 10K subs. Right now we're at 2320 right now. We're trying to hit 2500 by the end of the month. So help your boy, y'all. Go ahead and like and subscribe button. Drop your comments. You don't know you're gonna get your shout out and all that stuff, man. Yeah, man. Well, yeah, man, guys, we've been vibing, man. I dropped a video earlier. I hope y'all like it. Something a little bit different, talking about what's going on with the 6 and 7 gang, all that stuff. So definitely check that out, man. We lit, man. But yeah, man, like I said, guys, we're back in the music lab. Yeah, with a dancer artist, no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, we're talking about none other than Mr. Dwelling in Darkness. Mr. Darky, you know. Yeah, see me, Mr. One Budo Chop. We're talking about Kraff, God. Yeah, man, Kraff. They're back in the music lab with a new track entitled Lucid. And we're gonna check it out and see where that going with. From the name of it, Lucid, you know what I'm saying? I'm expecting it to be something like not Comsy. What was it? Either yeah, I'm expecting to be like Comsy, which is like that lo-fi type music. You know what I'm saying? With that lo-fi type beat, very common and stuff. So that's what I'm expecting when I hear it. You know what I'm saying? So we'll check it out and see exactly what I'm going. Let's see me and where that I gotta deal with today. Oh, and Kraff, I'm probably drop a new song the other day too. So we're gonna check that out as well. But yeah, man, we're not hold up the vibe much longer. I jump right in that track. This is Kraff, Lucid. Let's get it. Yo, alright, you know me, that is starting very calm and very, you know, like ambient, you know, get a little ambience.
She moms him.
She don't know where she are getting wow, go on, for the track, yeah. For the girl, them. Eh? Oh, so she love the sinner, and the one for the girl, them. Alright, then let's get it. Mama look nice still. Yeah, man, so girl feel good.
Mama say she love his sinner. Pity she no know she getting her. Chest vacant, nobody don't live ya. Nobody don't live ya. Say she love it.
Say she love the sinner. Pity she no know where she are getting her. Chest vacant, nobody no live in here. Kraff, why you do that, my youth? Eh? Why you do that, eh? That I can't so cool now, that you have to go open up at some point, you know what I'm saying? You can't so cool and real and cut off, you know what I'm saying, me G? But continue.
Yeah, she cock up in anything she in Mama turn big murderer in a singer. Hey mama, come make me see us in have a lesson for you. Make me teach her the game, put you up on a level. Different tree, watch you fame, that inevitable. Say she want me last name, oh you hold up this up. No this in I can't tame, oh your confidence.
Say come teach her the game. You see me, everything inevitable. Say she want me last name, that say, well I know, we got this some you're going too far now. Me teach her to get this money, you know. Teach her for sure, you go here. Me teach her to do other thing, but my last name, mama, calm down no man, your chest too high. Yes.
So your chest are full enough pain, oh you left it there so you're psychopathic plus me scrape, never spot a heaven that make you incinerate you. Let me take you to the highlands, baby. Yeah, this in a live wild and crazy. You see this in your eyes, so you're ready.
Bro, this is the tune, this is the song I hit Kraff up on IG. I was like, bro, we need this no. And the man could drop a tune, bro. That's why I wonder, yo, dog, what the hell, this man hasn't dropped lately, you feel me? So I'm like, yo, but me I snip it online. I'm go to bomb add Kraff. Yo, we need the song and no me G. And look at that dog I've been working on for the past month or so. Cause you see me I wonder how a man now drop for the 3 weeks, past 3 weeks. Wait, how long ago did I drop it that rough sea? You see me? Yeah, like 3 weeks don't drop rough sea. I say, yo dog, we need this dog. The song is too hard. You gotta drop this Kraff. You see me? And the dog repost me on IG and say, yo, you see me? But dog, drop it dog. Man, I should have kept that post. I would have put it in the video, man. Big up yourself, Kraff, God. You see me, I do your thing, me G. That song is hard, my youth. I heard the verse on IG. I'm like, yo, we need this. Oh, the man that drop the song, man, and the song they run and circulate. Song bad, man. Big up yourself, Kraff. Yeah, man. Let me take you to the island, baby. That song is hard, my youth. I'm to you, man.
Where you wanna fly, me we buy one ticket. No. Never left in nine, yeah, you say fly with me. Let me take you to Dubai, get high, get lady. Gravity defy miles high through the city.
Let me take you to Dubai, get high and litty. Gravity defy, we are fly through the city, mama. I'm to you, man. Come here, man.
Mama says she love you, sinner. Pity she no know she get dinner. Chest vacant, nobody don't live ya. Nobody don't live ya. Say she love his sinner. Yeah, she cock up in her anything she in her. Mama turn big murderer in a singer.
Yeah, she love the sinner. She cock up in her anything she in her. You know what I'm saying? Mama about to cock up her on anything then anything she in her. You see me I say? Turn the sinner in a singer. Yeah, Kraff the song a bad man. Yeah man, this is a vibe, bro. Yeah man, I heard it similar, bro. I'm like, yo, I have to at the dog, man. I said, Kraff, we need this. No. We need this. No, the song a bad man, yo. Yo, this, we don't have to get this. We don't have to get this to $1 million less than a week, man. We don't have to get this to $1 million. I saw my song this too, you know. Yeah, man. I saw my song this too, man. What if I got to take some of the one, man? Because I want a body in a dog. Read the song here, fuck.
Mama says she want breaking. Buy that. House fat twerk it. Why not? Nothing pan your body couldn't fake. Quado China. Bad and bougie. That a spoiled rush. This
says she want Birkin. Buy that. Nothing pan your body couldn't fake. Kind of China. Yeah, that body. Yeah, this song bad, man. This song hard. What y'all think about this guy? Let me know in the comment section.
Who me we make a boy eye lock, put the blick in her hand. Quick, she will fly back. Pun boy brain in a pile.
Quick, she will fly back.
You better try not. Say she want feel lucid, you know. Just to prove, say she love. Whereas when she use up her tongue. Lucid, you know. Cause she proves that she love.
Hey, bro. We gone over a thing that, yo, bro. Kraff. I don't know, man. I think you should have named this should have named Highland Baby. You know what I'm saying? Big man thing, a Highland gal. You know what I'm saying? The song bad, man. I love the hook there. Let me take you to the island, baby. Anything, the bad man. Real shit. I don't know, love Caribbean girls already. Island girls already. You see me?
When she use up it on. Mama says she love the sinner. Pity she no know she get in her. Chest vacant, nobody don't live ya. Nobody don't live ya. Say she love the sinner. Yeah, she cock up in her anything she in her. Mama turn big murderer in a singer. In a singer.
Mama turn big murderer in a singer. Mama cock up in her anything she in her. To you, man. Yeah, man. Cleat, man. Hey, you gotta bring me that hook back, bro, Kraff. Bring that hook back there before the Blood Tea song done, me G, bro. Come on, man. You should put more of that hook there tonight, man. Big man thing, the song are bad. Come on.
Hey, mama, come make me see you. See, now have a lesson for you. Make me teach you the game, put you up on a level. Leave tree, watch you feel that inevitable. Say she want my last name, how you hold up there, so. Now this sin I can't tear, how you confident, so. I just a full enough pain, just left it there, so. The psychopathic plus me scrape, now have a spot I heaven. Mama say she love a sinner.
Hey man, drop it tune, dog. Kraff. Yeah man, dog. Yeah man. One Budo chat, me G. Yeah man, I got my ratings, me G. I got my ratings. Where you been on my ratings today? You know what I'm saying? But, yeah man, dog. It was like, you know, middle of June or so. I think it was either right before it dropped for CR or right after. I was like, yo, bro, we need a song I know, me G. And IG, me linking, I link it out on IG stories. I was like, yo, Kraff, we need this. No. You see me? And I repost my thing, dog. Damn, man. I should have kept that safe, bro. But big up to Kraff, bro. Yeah, man. How true, man. Big man thing. Let me take you to the islands, baby. Hey, then, island crazy. I'ma take that. That's great. But yeah, man. So much tune that girls ain't gonna love that one. Kraff, you doing your thing, me G. Bad tune. You see me? Lucid? I don't know about the name Lucid, man. She name call it Island Girl. You know what I'm saying? Island baby. You know, take you to the islands. Island trip. Something. You see me think Lucid be show you off. Because at first I was like, Lucid? What is that going to talk about on this? You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, real dope track. I like that track. Know the girls I'm going to love it, man. That one getting added to my playlist. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that shit fire, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Drop the emojis. You know what I'm saying? Drop, was it the lyrics, the beat, the melody, girls in the video? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like. Go show the artists and love and support. Let me know. Jambisco dance. Anyway, we're going over here. We're lit over here, guys. I appreciate all y'all. Right now we're at 2320. Trying to hit 2500 before the end of the month. You know what I'm saying? Shit, if we're gonna hit a 3K by the end of the month, I'll much appreciate it. I think we can easily shoot past this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, dope track from Kraff. Yeah, see me tell him, big up himself. Definitely like that one, the guys. Yeah, man, I feel like I show that to some of us support, making us at Jambisco dance. I appreciate all y'all, man. Y'all, hey, I appreciate all y'all, man. Y'all the reason I keep doing this. I keep in the boy reason to keep doing this and keep going. And we not stop to reach 10K, to reach 50K, to reach 100K. We're going to take it to the top, guys. So I just appreciate y'all love and support. Keep supporting your boy. We growing, man. And chop it up, man. Chop it up in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a vibe going. You know what I'm saying? We're going over here, guys. Let me know what you want to see next. You know, we're going to get the shout out, all that stuff, man. But don't know. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco here and I hit and smash on a banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.